Alright, if you got 4 minutes and some Qeema cravings, I'm about to show you a restaurant style Qeema Karahi that tastes insane. And the best part? Super simple, no fancy ingredients, let's go. So today we had everything at home except one thing, beef mince. So obviously, quick run, grab that, and now we're ready to cook. Get your wok on the stove, flame medium high, and let's start building flavor from the very first step. Add about 1/4 cup oil, let it heat up nicely. Now in goes 2 green chilies, listen to that sizzle. That's where the aroma begins. Let these fry for a few seconds until fragrant. This step gives that classic karahi smell that hits instantly. Now add 400 grams beef mince, break it apart and cook until the color changes. Keep stirring so it cooks evenly. Add half teaspoon salt and keep cooking on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Now comes the key step. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and cook this properly. Don't rush here. We want all the moisture to evaporate and the keema to get that slight brown crust. That's where the real flavor builds. If you skip this step, you're missing half the taste. Trust me. Now take 3 medium tomatoes, slice them in half and throw them right in. Cover the wok, low flame and let them soften. Once soft, use tongs. Peel off the skin, it comes off super easily. Now mash them directly into the wok using your spoon. Cover again for 5 minutes. Lid off, and now the masala game starts. Add 1/3 teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder and half tablespoon red chili powder. Mix it well and cook until the spices releases that rich aroma. This is the moment your kitchen starts smelling like a proper dhaba. Now take 1 tablespoon yogurt, whisk it and add it straight in. Adjust salt if needed and cook while stirring. You'll see the oil slowly separating, that's your sign everything is cooking perfectly. Now for the finishing touch. Squeeze half a lemon, sprinkle dry fenugreek or kasuri methi as we call it, add fresh coriander, green chilies and julienne ginger, and that's it. And just like that, your restaurant style Qeema Karahi is ready. Serve it hot with naan and trust me, this one disappears fast. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe and I'll see you in the next recipe.